Hey you guys, this is Ratika and welcome back to my channel Rooted, wherein we talk about yoga, gardening, health, home, sustainable living. Today in this video we are going to do a comparison between menstrual cups and sanitary pads. I have used both of them, so then let's dive right into it. Firstly, let's talk about sanitary pads. These are very common and I'm sure every urban girl have heard about them, have used them and are very comfortable using them right now. Even I was, but the last 2 months have changed my period experience. I am so comfortable getting them. It doesn't make a difference to my day. I completely forget sometimes that I am on my periods, and it has happened just because of menstrual cups. So firstly, when we talk about sanitary pads, not cost effective, not biodegradable. A sanitary pad takes around 500 years to decompose completely. So just imagine how many pads we use in a month cycle and what kind of garbage are we creating, for the environment. The third thing is they are not comfortable. It's just that we are very familiar about the process of using it, about getting them and throwing them. But trust me, I'm sure you will agree with me that they are not comfortable. Every night before going to the bed, we have to stick on extra pads so that there is no leakage, and in spite, doesn't matter how many pads we put in, somewhere sometimes that leakage happens. They shift so easily, right? And after every month, those sanitary pads leave rashes to our bums, and that pain lasts for another week or so. And the worst thing is to get a pad in the bathroom and to throw it out of the bathroom. You have to hide the pad and take it to the bathroom so that any male member in your family doesn't see it. And if you happen to be at your relative's place during that time of the month, it becomes all the more worse. I'm sure there are girls who take their decision basis their month cycle. We all do, because that creates such a difference to our day. But I have a solution to all these problems, and trust me, if you go by my advice, you are going to be thankful to this video for your lifetime. So firstly, menstrual cups are cost effective. I made a calculation, So first of all, taking the minimum cost. A pad costs minimum ₹6, okay? You use at least 2 pads in a day for 5 days in a week. That means on an average you use 10 pads, which cost ₹6 per pad, which makes ₹60 for a month. For a year it comes to 720 rupees. And I am currently 23, I am going to, let's suppose, have my menses till 50, so more 28 years. So 720 rupees every year for the next 28 years comes to 20,160. Now considering you are using an expensive pad, one pad costs ₹10, okay? Again, the same calculation, you are using 2 pads in a day, you are bleeding for 5 days in a week. For a year, it comes to 1,200 rupees. 1,200 into 28 years comes to 33,600 rupees. If you shift to menstrual cup, on an average, a cup costs around ₹600. Right? You can use that cup for 8 to 10 years. Let's say in 28 years I am going to use 5 cups. 5 into 800 makes it only 4,000. So compare 4,000 to 20,000, and if you are using an expensive cup, maybe just double 8,000 to your 33,000. Still you save so much. This is the first motivation you all should consider, and consider shifting to a menstrual cup. The second thing is biodegradable, girls. You are producing so less waste. Let's be a little sensitive about the environment, because we are seeing so much thing happening around. we are going through forest fires, climate change, melting icebergs and whatnot. Third thing, which is the biggest motivation of shifting to a menstrual cup, is I am on my periods but I completely forget about it. Swear on my channel, it's very comfortable. You will only face problem once in your first cycle, wherein it's little difficult to get it in and more difficult to take it out. But once you get a hang of it, it's so easy, like you are keeping something in your almirah and taking it out. It's that easy, trust me. Last, there is no jhanjat of hiding your pads, taking them in the bathroom. There is no leakage even through your night. Your night becomes so easy. I can't tell you how good it is. So it's firstly you have to be mentally prepared. There is a space there. We all have same biology. If I can put it, you can also put it. You just need some mental strength and your wish to have those hassle-free, those comfortable periods. Matlab, just imagine you are going somewhere, you don't have to keep your sanitary pads with you, you don't have to hide those pads from anyone else, and like you are going so freely, you can do whatever you want. It doesn't feel like you are on your periods because you can't feel that flow. It doesn't give you rashes. Well, what else you need in life? I don't know what to say at the last, but please, just try. Place your orders right now. There are a lot of companies. Also regarding the size and everything, so there is a guide, read that. But I'll just tell you, I use size small. There are majorly 3 sizes available: XS or S or M and large. Okay, normally 3 sizes. So considering this is the smallest, so like these cups are normally meant for teenage girls, like below 18 or so. S or the medium size is meant for girls who are not into regular intercourse or who have not gone through pregnancy. The large cups are meant for girls who are into regular intercourse and who have gone through vaginal delivery. So I use cup small or cup medium. Okay, so if you are placing your orders, you can consider this. There are guides available everywhere, so read about that. A cup will cost around 600 to 800, so like invest it because it's totally worth it. So that was it for the video. I hope I was able to put across my emotions, put across my excitement of using a cup and how good it is. And if you are going to try the cup after watching the video, please leave a thumbs up in the comment section. Also hit the like button. It will just motivate me more to make the next video. Right? Share with your friends, like it's so good. And subscribe to my channel. I'll now see you all in the next video, which is going to be on Wednesday. Till then, place your orders to buy the cups. Bye.